Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I'm going to install a skid plate on the 25 Tacoma, and I'm going to show you how to do it with this skid plate cross member that you need to buy if you have an SR5. If you don't have an SR5 and you have a TRD off-road or the upper models, they already have the cross member. So, also, so you know, the 25 4Runner SR5 does have the cross member. So the only one that seems to not have it is probably the Tacoma SR and the 2425 Tacoma SR5. Those don't have the cross member. You'll need to buy one. I picked one up at RCI and they shipped it to me. And so we got rid of this. So let's get installing. Let's do it. Hey guys, I know you've seen all the mods I've been doing on this Tacoma, and it's really starting to look good, but now I'm going to put a skid plate on it. While they're easy to install, the SR5 model Tacomas do require you to buy a skid plate mounting cross member. The first thing you do is remove the four 12mm bolts that hold the felt skid plate on. Then you remove the bolts that hold the tow hooks on. You can see here, it's pretty easy and they're right in front of you. Here's a better look at them. It's just two bolts on each side that hold these very, I'd say pretty heavy, tow hooks or recovery hooks. There you can see once they're gone, you can see on both sides, and that is where you're going to bolt up the skid plate cross member. And there is links under the video in the description. Here's a picture I got off the web of what it will look like. And here's mine installed. You just basically put the beam up there and bolt your recovery hooks back on. Now here's my cross member bolted in. Look at the direction it is going, and you can see it just fits perfectly, and then your recovery points bolt right on. It's a really, really nice cross member and has a really good fit and finish. Now look at the way I've started these bolts, and I let them hang about an inch. Now these are longer bolts, but they do work. That is because the skid plate has these like holes cut that enable it to hang off these two bolts. So I start these first and I leave them hanging out. So then I hang the skid plate from those two bolts. I start the other bolts and then I go and tighten them all up. It's that easy. And I just prop this thing up with my shoes, put it up there, bolted it together, and so not only does it look good, it's very functional. If you were to hit something going down the highway and you couldn't get out of the way, it would protect the bottom of your vehicle. Well, hey guys, I hope you like that short install video. It's really easy to do. You just need 6 bolts to do it. You can get rid of this thing. It's made of a fiberboard type stuff. It might take the impact of a piece of tire on the road, a small piece, but really the functionality of an aluminum skid plate or steel skid plate is great. If you hit something, it's going to protect the engine. If you get high centered, off-road, in the snow, whatever, it helps protect everything. So I hope you enjoyed the install video. If you would, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links underneath. I'll have a bunch to the cross member, the skid plate, and whatever, and all kinds of other things I've installed on the Tacoma and the 4Runner. So check it out. And I've got more videos coming, so stay tuned. I will see you next time. See ya.